Welcome to Ottawa, Canada's vibrant capital city where history meets modernity. Let's dive into the must-see attractions, outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, and a taste of the city's diverse culinary scene. Start your journey at Parliament Hill, the heart of Canadian democracy. Explore the National Gallery of Canada's stunning art collections, and stroll through Byward Market, a food lover's paradise with fresh produce and diverse dining options. Escape to nature in Gatineau Park, perfect for hiking and breathtaking fall foliage. Or enjoy water activities like kayaking and paddleboarding on the Ottawa River. Immerse yourself in Canada's rich history at the Canadian Museum of History. Experience world-class performances at the National Arts Centre. And don't miss the vibrant Ottawa International Jazz Festival, where local and international artists come together to create something truly special. For a unique cultural experience, explore the Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In the warmer months, it's perfect for leisurely walks, bike rides, or boat tours. In winter, it transforms into the world's largest skating rink, an experience you simply can't miss. Ottawa's culinary scene is as diverse as it is delicious. Start at Byward Market for international cuisines and local specialties. Indulge in a beaver tail, a flat, crispy pastry topped with your choice of sweet or savory fillings. For a full dining experience, here are some top restaurant picks by cuisine. French cuisine, Cocotte Bistro and Ratatouille Bistro. Italian cuisine, Andiamo Pizzeria and Ciao Italia. Asian cuisine, Kuidori, Hanabi Japanese Cuisine and Gyubi Japanese Grill. Canadian cuisine, Ayana Restaurant, The Great Canadian Poutineery, and Chez Lucien. Arabic cuisine, Lebanese Palace, Yemen Gate Restaurant, Moul Hanout and Mr. Fez Shawarma. Mexican cuisine, Si Senor Mexican Street Food, Casa Mexico. And Pancho Villa. Indian cuisine, The Sarangi. Masakali Indian Resto Bar. And Second Wife, The Indian Restaurant. Ottawa is a city that knows how to celebrate. In winter, experience the magic of Winterlude, a festival that transforms the city with ice sculptures, skating and winter activities that embrace the season's charm. Spring brings the Canadian Tulip Festival, where millions of tulips bloom in a colorful display, celebrating the friendship between Canada and the Netherlands. For music lovers, Ottawa Blues Fest is a summer highlight, featuring world-class performances in an unforgettable setting. Ottawa is a city that has it all, from rich history and cultural experiences to stunning natural beauty and a vibrant culinary scene. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer stay, Canada's capital city is sure to captivate and inspire. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Ottawa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides, and we'll see you in the next video.